let's permanently delete your Instagram Lite account. Before you start, it is better you can up-to-date this application. After that, open your Instagram application like this. After opening, you have to tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you have to tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner like this. Then you will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, select the very first one, tap settings. Then you will go to account center. Here, if you can't find out this account center option at the top of the list, you have to up-to-date your Instagram Lite application. So you can go to Play Store, App Store, then you can type and search Instagram Lite. After that, you can see there is an update button. So you can hit that update button, then your app will be up to date, as well as you have to restart this application, then this account setter option will be here. So if you got this account setter option, just tap on it. Then you will get another pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you have to see the second option, personal details under account setting. Select personal details. Now select the last option, account ownership and control. Here, select the second option, deactivation or deletion. Since you are going to delete our Instagram Lite account, here you have to select the second option, Instagram. The default selection is deactivate account. So you have to change it to delete account. So check delete account, then it will be selected. Now just tap the continue button at the bottom to go forward. Here they ask you to select a reason. Here, according to your selection, the next page will be optimized. So if you want to get the same page or same interface for the next page, you can select my reason too, as well as you feel free to select any reason. Here, select the last reason, then tap the continue button. Now they ask you to re-enter your password. Type your password and verify yourself, then tap continue. Now you have to confirm your deletion request. Once you schedule to delete your account, it will be deleted within next 30-day period of time because of the security reason. So to confirm your deletion request, just tap delete account button, then you will get this kind of notice. Your account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. Like this, then you will be immediately logged out from your Instagram Lite account. Don't try to log back into your account, the deletion request will be cancelled. As well as, instead of deleting your account, if you want to take a temporary break, you can deactivate your account. So if you want to deactivate it, you can deactivate by clicking this end screen video. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.